Hey guys, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you guys can apply right away. That's really going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads so you don't have to rely on services like Angie's and Home Advisor. Um, okay, so here we are on your website. It's great that you have a website. Um, Now we just need to get it optimized because 70% of your leads are going to come from your website. So, looks like most of your services are listed up top. Let's see, your homepage. This is really good. Being accredited with the Better Business Bureau adds trust to your business and site, so that's awesome. We got some content here about the business. I'm not seeing any keyword usage other than your brand. And I see services listed here. But when you go to your service page, you have additional services. So, websites are not ranked based on appearance. They are ranked based on content. Content is key. And so you're going to need your homepage to have a minimum of 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. If your competitors have more, you need more. You need 250 words for every keyword you're going to target. And you need to be going after those local buyer intent keywords, which are the keywords people are actively searching in your area for your services. Your homepage should be like a mini summary of each of your services with a little bit of content and keywords so you can be found organically for those services. You also need to make sure that you have a separate page for each of your major services here. Now, flood and water damage and mold remediation are two different services, and those should actually have two separate pages. There's a ton of keywords and probably really great volume. So you're missing out on being found organically for each of these services because they don't have any pages and they don't have any content written about them so that you can get keywords indexed and be found online. So it is going to be really important that you create those additional pages and work on that content and keyword strategy so you can be found for your services. Now, when we go to your top organic competitor for mold remediation in Alice, we have Service Master. Now, yes, they are a franchise, but no, you do not have to compete against the whole franchise. You're only competing against this location page. And you're at an advantage because franchisees cannot modify their content. So if they don't have the keywords, they have to work 4 and 5 times harder to rank for keywords that aren't here. Whereas you can add all the content you want, add additional pages, and really go after those keywords. So they're going to be super easy to beat. You just have to have more content and then support your website with SEO. Without it, your website is not going to be found online. So if we look here, you have a score of 3.5 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website. That's 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. Not all are created equal, so you want to make sure you're only going after authoritative do follow links. That way they give you authority and help you to rank. If we look here, only 6 of yours are do follows, so you only have 6 relevant links on your website. You have an index for over 100 keywords, but you're only getting 4 people to your site per month. And that's because your website isn't optimized and you're not capturing the traffic you should be. If we look at your keywords, you only have 2 keywords on the first page of Google, and that's for hazardous material and hazardous abatement. Great keywords, Um, but you need keywords for each of your services, and you're really missing the boat on that. And you want to make sure that you're keeping it local. That way, you have the potential to convert people that land on your site into customers. When we look at your competitor, they have zeros all across the board. We don't care about their website, how that performed, because it is a franchise. So they're getting their power just because of the power of their site, which is still pretty low. Without any backlinks, they have zero keywords and they're getting zero traffic. So the only reason they're outranking you organically is because of the content throughout the rest of the website. So they're going to be super easy to beat by just working on your content and keyword strategy. And the last part of this is the Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people search here and don't search anywhere else. And while you are in the top 3 for this specific search, if you find that you're not for one of your keywords or service areas, then you definitely need to optimize. And the biggest factor is going to be getting citations, which is the name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And you'll need more of those than your top competitors. And if you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for your service area and all of your services. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would love to get your feedback on it. If you have any questions, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.